When it comes to crankbaits, let's face it, a lot of them will last forever if we don't get them hung up or snagged. But one thing that doesn't last forever is generally the hooks. You know, especially if you're using a net, it seems like a net really bends them out a lot when that fish is in there flopping around. And one thing about especially a treble hook or any hook, as soon as it bends out once or twice, it kind of loses a lot of its tensile strength and it just bends more easily. And so one thing I like to do, you can see this finisher here, it's super beat up. I've gone through a lot of fish with it, and I've gone through a lot of sets of hooks, but I like to keep these hooks fresh, especially on a finisher. You know, that glide bait that's darting back and forth a lot of times the fish doesn't tee up on it 100%. They're almost trying to catch up to it, swatting at it. So I want that hook as sharp as possible to grab a hold of anything that it can as that fish is trying to eat it. But one thing I also like to do is the standard number 10 finisher like this comes with short shank number 6s. I like to add that longer shank standard Fusion 19 size to it. Just gives the hook gap a little bit bigger, a little further away from the bait of this finisher here, just giving me a little bit better hooking percentage, I feel like. But another thing I like to do is keep in mind the size of fish that I'm catching. So one thing that's important, keep your hooks fresh, and also keep in mind the fish that you're catching, you know, and the size of those fish, and basically dictate the treble hooks that you're using on a lot of your baits.